In the exam, the problems are like this. Convert given CFG into GNF. Given CFG into GNF. Garbage normal form. This kind of problem they are asking into the theory exam. Now, first step, when we are converting this CFG into GNF, so there are the number of steps. The left frequency is the one of the problem which the step we have to perform while converting. Okay. So now we'll see the algorithm how we will convert this CFG into GNF. CFG into GNF. Now first step, the CFG must be CFG must be simplified. Simplified. So that is the very first condition. Whenever we want to convert the CFG into the any normal form, the first condition what it says, the grammar must be simplified grammar. The grammar must be simplified grammar. What is a simplified grammar? No useless symbol, no epsilon production, no unit production. So with the methods for simplification of grammar, we will first of all simplify the grammar and then we will start proceeding for conversion. So that is the very first step, prerequisite what we can say, or the grammar is, if it is not in the simplification, we will simplify the grammar and then perform the conversion. That is the very first thing. Now second thing, we have to rename the variables. We have to rename the variables. Rename the variables. Rename the variables. Now, why we need to rename the variable? Why we need to rename the variables? Because now, what is the GNF? What is the format of GNF? A produces A alpha. A produces A alpha. This is the terminal, and this is what? Alpha is what? Zero or more variables. Zero or more variables. So alpha must be variables only. Alpha must be variables only. So we'll rename the variables, all the terminals. All the terminals, we will rename the terminals with the variable. As we have seen into the CNF, Chomsky normal form. All the terminals will rename it as a variable. So we will say CA as a. So this terminal we will allocate one variable. So this again we can rewrite like this: A alpha, CA alpha, like this. For example. So now this A terminal is replaced with the variable. Likewise, we can rename the variable terminus to the variable. Okay, because alpha is zero or more variable. Zero or more variable. Now, after renaming the terminals as a variable, again we have to rename the all the variables. Rename the variables as A1, A2, A3 like this. So all variables will rename in the form of the A1, 2, 3, indexing, A1, A2, A3, A4 like this. So all the variables, whatever S, X, S, X, Y, Z, whatever the variables in my productions we will have, all that variables will rename one by one as A1, A2, A3, A4. Now, after renaming the variables as a A1, A2, A3, we have to check one condition. We have to check one condition. AI must be less than or equal to AJ. Now, what is this? Now the variable, the index of left-hand side, index of the left-hand side variable must be less than or equal to index of the leftmost variable. So if the productions are like this we can explain like this. If we are having A1 produces A2, A1, A2 like this. If the production is like this, so the 1 is the index of this. The index of this, the leftmost variable is 2. So this 1 is less than 2. So yes, this is allowed. This is allowed. Okay. But if A1, suppose the production is like this, A2 produces A1, A2, A2. If the production is in this format, this index 2 is now greater than this index. We want only this leftmost variable. Just remember, we are not bothering about these variables. We are not bothering about these variables. We are bothered about only this the leftmost variable. The index of the leftmost variable must be greater than or equal to the left side variable. So here 2 is greater than this one. This is not allowed. Okay. So this, after renaming, if the productions are like this, make it must if the productions must be in this format, in this format. Okay, must be in this format. If it is not in this format, means the left hand side variable, index of the left hand variable is greater than the index of the first variable, right side variable, first right side variable. Then how to solve this? By replacing. Use replacement, substitution method, replacement, or we can say use substitution method. Substitution method. Use substitution method. Now, what is the substitution method? Substitute somewhere this production replaced with that. So we can substitute the production to different variables to make this left hand side index greater than equal to the next. So for that, we'll use the substitution method. Okay. Now, after the substitution method, when we are having the grammar production in this format, so if there are the recurrence, left recurrence, remove left recurrence. After that, remove left recurrence. Remove left recurrence. After that, remove left recurrence. If there are any recurrence, so we'll remove. Because we want all the productions must be in a GNF. All productions must be in a GNF. So remove the left recurrence, if any, and after that, using substitution method, using substitution, get GNF, Lebesgue normal form. So after removing the left recursion, we will apply substitution, and at the end, all production we will get in the GNF format. Means what? A produces terminal variables, A alpha. A produces small terminal A alpha. A is a terminal, alpha is what? All variables. So again, we'll use the substitution to get this GNF. This is the algorithm to convert the CFG into the GNF. CFG into the GNF. We'll just revise this algorithm. This algorithm is important because using this only we have to solve the example. First of all, we have to simplify the grammar if it is not, because without simplification we cannot convert into the normal form. After that, rename all the variables, whatever the variables are. So all the variables, rename it as A1, A2, A3, A4 like this. So index is important for us. Okay. So after renaming, all production must be in this format. AI means left hand side index must be less than or equal to this first variable index. So if it is there, no problem. If it is not there, we'll use substitution method to make the production like this. By substitution, we'll make all the productions like this. After having all the productions in this format, if any left recursion is there, we will remove the left recursion. After that, with the help of the substitution, again we will try to convert the GNF. So our ultimate aim is to convert all the productions, convert all the productions in the GNF format, all the production into the GNF format. So this algorithm is important. So understanding this algorithm is important. So we'll solve one example with the help of this algorithm. Then all the steps will be much more clear. Okay. So we'll take first example. Any